Academy channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple technique that can help you get over all the negativity or any of the negative gap that you found in yourself. Okay, so the name of the technique is called aura. Yes, it will help you enhance your aura around you in a very positive way. And the A in this stands for acceptance. Accept that shortfall, accept that. And then U stands for understanding. Once you accept it, start understanding why it is there inside you. What is the positive intention behind it? Why it is there inside you. And R stands for release. Once you have understood, happily and wholeheartedly release it to the universe. And again, A stands for affirm. Once you release, put an affirmation as a replacement with a positive sentence that is going to help you boost or overcome that negative and boost it with a positive source of energy. Wishing you happiness and success. I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today. And please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.